Welcome to the BGS Web Mapping Service tutorial. In this tutorial we will show you how to access BGS geological maps from the Open Geoscience webpage. Navigate to the Maps area. Towards the bottom of the page you will find a section called Advanced Data 625K and View 50K. We are going to use MapInfo to view the medium scale 1 to 50,000 scale dataset using the Web Map Service, so follow the 50K link. This opens another web page with a little more information about the data, but for now we are interested in the service address highlighted in bold in the middle of the page. We are going to copy this address into MapInfo. To do that, we'll go to File, Open Web Service, Open WMS. And we will now add the BGS server to the servers list. We can test the server to see that it is working, and we can request a simple description. What you'll now see on the left hand side of the dialog are the layers that are available from our web mapping service. If you are familiar with geological data, then you can download these layers individually. But for now, I'm going to download all the layers as an individual image to use as a simple geological backdrop. And you could then add your own data to something like this. You'll notice that the geological data needs to be layered in a particular order, so I'm moving the bedrock down to the bottom and the superficial deposits to sit just above them. I am also going to request that the data is served as British National Grid. And finally, I'm going to create a tab file from this request. This will allow me to come back to the data at a later date and not have to use this Web Map Service dialog. MapInfo is now connected to the server and requesting data, but you'll notice that nothing has appeared on screen. This is because we have requested medium scale 1 to 50,000 scale data, and in order to view it we have to zoom in to an appropriate scale. As you zoom into a map, the geology data will appear. It behaves like an ordinary layer within MapInfo. But it is actually a georeferenced raster image, not vector data. However, we can interrogate the data using the info tool. So I'm going to look at these purple polygons over here. And we can see from the info tool that these are the Etruria Formation, comprising mudstones, sandstones and conglomerates, and they are Westphalian in age. Because this layer is just held as an ordinary table in MapInfo, we can break the link with the server just by closing the table. And later on we can re-establish the link to the server simply by opening that table.